If you've been trying to figure out where to find archived emails in Gmail on your iPhone, you're not alone. Gmail's mobile app does something kind of annoying. There's no archive folder. It just doesn't exist. So if you've archived something and now need it back, it's not exactly obvious where it went. I'm Lauren, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where archived emails go in Gmail on your iPhone, how to retrieve them, how to delete them, and a much faster option if Gmail is driving you nuts. Let's get into it. Open your Gmail app and tap the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now here's where people get confused. There's no archive label in this list. What you're looking for is all mail. Tap that. All mail is exactly what it sounds like. Every email in your account, whether it's in your inbox, sent, or archived. Archived emails live here, mixed in with everything else. So how do you actually spot an archived email? There are a few tells. An archived message won't have an inbox label on it. If you open it, there's no archive button at the top because it's already been archived, and the swipe gesture to archive it, it won't work on it either. For the same reason. If you've archived something recently, it should be near the top of all mail. If it's older and your inbox has a few thousand messages, you're gonna be scrolling for a while. There's no way to filter just your archived messages. Everything is stacked together with no separation. Once you find the email you want back, open it, tap the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, and tap Move to Inbox. The inbox label comes back, and the email reappears where you'd expect it. Quick tip, if you've just archived something by accident, there's a brief undo button that pops up at the bottom of your inbox right after. Tap it fast and reverse it immediately. No need to go digging through all mail at all. Now here's the thing, finding and retrieving one email this way is fine, but if you've got a pile of archived emails you actually want to go through and manage, no good way to do that on your phone. Email providers not giving the people what they actually ask for is one big reason we built the Clean Email app. It gives Gmail on iPhone this feature it's missing, and many others. To do this on Clean Email, tap the menu, then tap Archive. Every Gmail message you've ever archived shows up right there in one clean view. No scrolling required. You can move things back to your inbox, tap Select All, and trash the whole batch, or permanently delete emails to actually free up storage. Every feature you wish your email provider had, we made. Click the link in the description for a 15% off discount. Now here's how to delete archived emails in the Gmail app back in Gmail. To delete an archived message, open it and tap the trash icon at the top. It moves to trash and stays there for 30 days before Gmail removes it automatically. If you want it gone right now to actually free up storage immediately, go back to the left menu, open trash, find the email, tap Move to the top right, and select Delete Forever. Or empty trash now to clear everything in there at once. One thing Gmail on iPhone doesn't let you do, bulk delete archived emails. Each one has to be individually opened. If you've got hundreds of old archived messages to clear out, that's going to take a while. Bonus tip, how to change or disable archive swipe in Gmail on iPhone. Last thing, if you keep accidentally archiving emails when you swipe, you can change that. In Gmail, tap the menu, scroll down to Settings, tap Inbox Customizations, then Mail Swipe Actions. From there, you can reassign to swipe, to delete, or set it to none, so nothing happens when you swipe. Small change, but it will save you from sending emails into the void by accident. Now you know where your archived emails are and how to actually delete them.